Here's some regional cooking trivia. Subscribe. What pasta is a traditional dish of Bologna? Is it A. tagliatelle, B. fettuccine, C. penne, or D. spaghetti? The correct answer is A. tagliatelle. Which pastry is known as puff pastry in French cuisine? Is it A. short crust pastry, B. choux pastry, C. Danish dough, or D. pâte feuilletée? The correct answer is D. pâte feuilletée. Which rice dish is cooked in a saffron broth, typical of Spain? Is it A. sushi, biryani, C. or D. risotto? The correct answer is C. paella. What is the primary ingredient in kimchi? Is it A. spinach, B. napa cabbage, C. cucumber, or D. lettuce? The correct answer is B. napa cabbage. Which Indian bread is traditionally cooked in a tandoor? Is it A. naan, B. appam, C. puri, or dosa? The correct answer is naan. What is the main ingredient of Russian borscht? Is it A. carrot, B. cabbage, C. beetroot, or D. potato? The correct answer is C. beetroot. Which dish features a blend of spices and rice originating from India? Is it A. tikka masala, B. biryani, C. samosa, or D. pilaf? The correct answer is B. biryani. Which Mexican dish consists of rolled tortillas filled with meat? Is it A. quesadilla, B. enchilada, C. nachos, or D. taco? The correct answer is B. enchilada. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.